So now that you know you have a plaintiff's personal injury case, what do you do? What are the steps in bringing forth a personal injury case? We break them up into pre-suit and post-suit. In the pre-suit stages, that's where we're having initial fact investigation with our clients. We meet with our clients and we perform fact investigation. The first step is fact investigation. What happened? Who was involved? Where did it happen? Why did it happen? Who's at fault? Fault is an incredibly big part. That goes to whether or not the tortfeasor breached their duty. So the fact investigation is the first stage. We request police reports, accident reconstructions. We talk with experts if necessary. We then follow our clients through the treatment process. We explain the process that as clients treat, it's their responsibility and our duty to make sure that we find out every provider they had, to request those medical records, to request those bills. And we take them and we assemble all of them into a chronological timeline that's put into a demand. A demand, as it sounds, is a letter that goes to an insurance company with each of the medical records, with the accident reconstructionist, with the police report, and we set forth that the tortfeasor breached their duty of care causing damages. We set forth the facts of the crash, the facts of the injuries and how they occurred, and really explain how and why the tortfeasor did something wrong or breached the standard of care. And then we take the company and the adjuster through each of the treatment providers. We set forth the damages. Call those the special damages. How many medical expense providers there are, when the client treated, from when to when, how many treatment dates they had, what were the results of the CT scan, the MRI? Did they go to physical therapy? How many times? What were the subjective complaints that the client made? What were the objective findings of the physical therapy, right? What was the analysis that the physical therapist made? And by what procedure or process did they use to treat that client or patient? And we assemble them into a timeline and we make a demand on the insurance company. Call us today.